Oh, there we go. Got it off. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today in this video, I'm going to be removing the Focus badge off the 2017 Focus ST. So if you guys remember a few videos back with the ST badges, I removed them with some fishing line and I replaced them with orange ones. Orange. So in this video, I'm going to be taking this off with some fishing line or dental floss. I'm still not sure if that works. Please let me know down below in the comments if removing it with dental floss worked for you. But anyways, all right, let's go grab that fishing line and get started. Okay, so this is everything we need. So we have our goo off, and then we have some glass cleaner or Windex, and then we have some ceramic detailer. So the glass cleaner, Windex, and detailer is to wipe away all the residue from after using the goo off. And then most importantly, we need the fishing line. All right, so let's go get started. Okay, so I got the fishing line here. So just get back behind the badge and just start wiggling it. Alright, so I had to put some gloves on. My hands were too sweaty and it kept slipping out. Ah, there we go. Cool. So I'm gonna try and pick a little bit of this off with my nail, but not to scratch the paint or anything. And then I'll be using the goo off with a microfiber and we'll scrub the rest off.
Jack it up.
Okay, time for some goo off. So I'm just going to put a little bit on this microfiber. And then I'm just going to apply and scrub away, putting a bit of firm pressure on here. I'm just going to keep going. But now I'm going to Windex it and then use some ceramic detailer and we should be done. pretty clean. Looks nice. All right, everyone, here is the final look after I removed the rear focus badge. So I think the overall look is way more clean and simplified, which I really like. I was inspired off a couple posts from Reddit of people with Focus STs debadging their Focus badge, and I really liked it, so I thought, why not give it a try? And I think I'm really liking this look. So if this is your style, I definitely would recommend doing this to your Focus. All right, everyone, thanks for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next video.